ChatGPT for trading is incredible, and this isn't a video to show you what I've made using ChatGPT to trade. It's a video to show you how to make money with ChatGPT trading crypto. Now, don't worry. I know I'm in a car, doesn't make sense at the moment. We're going to go inside, going to get on the laptop there, and I'm going to show you in full detail, using chapters in the video below, how you can follow the steps in using this amazing application that uses the latest ChatGPT-4o in making decisions on any coin you like in any time frame, whether to go long, whether to go short. And this application can even trade for you. I'm not going to waste any more time in this introduction. Do hit the like, that really helps. But let's get straight into the tutorial and yeah, enjoy the video. This is an amazing application. I've just sat down to make this video to show you how you can use ChatGPT. I forgot to mention previously, it's a free application and it's built on Telegram. This Telegram bot, of course, is free to use, and you can use it if you're out and about on your mobile or if you're at home on your desktop. The link is down below so you can follow along with this video. Let's get into it.
Hello and welcome to the CoinGPT video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best out of CoinGPT for analyzing cryptocurrencies in real time using AI's interpretation of the market, giving a bias whether to buy, whether to sell. Of course, this bot gives you stop loss and take profit levels as well. First up, analyzing cryptocurrencies. There's a couple of different ways to do this. The first way is by hitting the menu and pressing analyze. And from there are some quick selections. As you can see, some of the popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, for example. We'll hit Bitcoin, and it's going to give a 1 hour time frame analysis. It's always 1 hour as the default, but of course you can change the time frame down below here with a tap. So for example, this is a long bias. You can see the take profit is 2.8%, stop loss is 0.71%. So quite a nice risk to reward ratio, 4 to 1 in fact. Now, if you wanted to analyze a coin in a manual approach, you could simply press / analyze space and then the cryptocurrency. I'm going to do Bitcoin again, but you could do any cryptocurrency's ticker. But there you go, Bitcoin, analyzing Bitcoin USDT, and it's going to give you some analysis there. Of course, the analysis is always changing depending on the real-time data of the chart and AI's interpretation. From there, we can click on detailed analysis to give a breakdown of where that bias is coming from. Shows all the technical indicators, as you can see. We can even press generate chart to generate a chart for that coin in that time frame. So there we go. The chart has loaded. It's showing us visually what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So let's look at the take trade button. If you haven't already set up take a trade, when you click take a trade, it's going to ask you to set it up now. It's going to bring you to this form where currently we support Blowfin exchange, which is a no KYC exchange. If you can't trade on Bybit or Binance for any reason due to KYC, we recommend Blowfin. Of course, if you trade on Bybit already or Binance, or you want to set up one of these accounts, you can select Bybit and Binance. We work with all three of these exchanges. We have a separate tutorial video when you go to set up these exchanges. For example, if you selected Blowfin and press next, it takes you to the instructions and video on how to set up API trading. So let me show you how to use the take trade feature. I've gone over to another account now which has premium access, and for example, you've got the Bitcoin analysis here. You'll notice the take trade, the daily request limit has vanished because this is a premium account, and all time frames are unlocked, and you'll be able to use the auto trade feature to its full capabilities. So at the moment, there is a long trade. However, that long trade isn't that favorable, I must say, because there's a 9.9% upside against 12.5% downside. So the risk to reward ratio isn't great in my opinion. Let's have a look at it on the 15-minute chart. And obviously this isn't the take trade features, but I'm just showing you how one may use it. So that's better. We've got a long trade, better risk to reward ratio. Just before I put on the auto trade by tapping that button, we can look at the take trade settings. Now, this is where it allows you to change your leverage. I've got 8x leverage selected at the moment, and you can also select the balance percentage per trade. I've got 10% selected, and as you can see, in my current balance, I have just over $3,000, so it's going to use $300 per trade as margin. That isn't what you're risking, that's just what you're using as margin, using the stop loss, which CoinGPT will generate for you from the analysis, is going to mean a much smaller risk than that. But so if I'm using $300 of my own money because I've got 10% times 8x leverage, it's going to be about $2,500. So let's say we've got some analysis. Let's analyze Bitcoin, and we will see if it's a trade that we'd like to put on, and I'll show you how that works in your own trading account. So we've got a trade here, Bitcoin. I'm going to press take trade now, and you can see here that trade has been opened. Now from Telegram, I can manage that trade. You can see in open positions, we've got that trade open. If I wanted to, I can press close Bitcoin, and with a tap of a button, that trade is going to close as well. I'll show you one more time because I didn't show you the stop loss and take profit. Let's click take trade now. We'll reopen that trade. With a tap, it's opened, and it's actually used our take profit and stop loss levels. As you can see, take profit 72,000, stop loss 70,300. It's the same as in the analysis. So I think that's very, very cool because it's taking real-time analysis data using AI, and it's allowing you to set that trade up in a blink of an eye. Very, very cool. So just to run through the other features very quickly, Ask GPT. This is an amazing tool, just like ChatGPT, but it's designed and dedicated to crypto trading. You can ask it anything according to the analysis you've put in, or you can ask it something general, for example, like, could you suggest a good risk strategy for trading Bitcoin? But it could be anything. You could ask it for some additional take profit or stop loss levels. So it's intuitive, it's real-time data, and it's an AI language model as well. So very, very cool, very easy to use. The other options we have on the menu currently are, like I mentioned before, upgrade. If you want unlimited daily requests, if you want all the timeframes, if you don't want any limit on the take trade button, but you can with a card payment or by paying in crypto. The other options we have here are the My Account page. My Account, you can see your user ID, which is your Telegram user ID. You can see your current plan. This is a free one I'm currently showing you. You can also go to FAQs, most frequently asked questions. Of course, if there's anything that's not listed there, you can contact support. Other very cool thing is referral. Every user gets their own referral link. If you share that for everyone that signs up for CoinGPT, you earn $10 and you can claim that in USDT. Feel free to share this on your social media channels, in your own Telegram communities. You can actually get paid for using the application, so that's also really, really cool. Another option that's not currently there is community. If you click on community, it will take you to our Telegram group where you can chat with other members. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Any questions, of course, within the bot, you can contact support or leave a comment underneath this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy using CoinGPT, and we'll see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.